welcome back to our channel. I am Lala.
And I'm Mimi.
And we're gonna be working on
Sorry.
We're gonna be working on our faces today. Not getting ready, but getting unready, so to speak. As you clicked in the title, you know we're gonna be testing masks. But not just any kind of masks. They're masks from the 99-cent store. What?
Yeah, today what we have are a couple of face sheet masks. And we got 3 different kinds. This one obviously called my attention because it had Marilyn. And it says Forever Gorgeous Rejuvenate. That's the highest thing. That's the highest thing. Rejuvenating Sheet Mask Facial. And then these other ones, these are actually they're 2 different ingredient masks, if that makes sense. So if you would like to see if maybe you can start buying your masks at the 99-cent store, then tune in to see how we feel about these.
And how our skin reacts.
So please continue watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you later, alligator. We have used masks before. We don't use the very expensive masks like the glam Sephora,
The 24K.
Karat Gold. No. We go to Forever 21 or the drugstore, like CVS.
And they have pretty good ones, and they range from anywhere to $2 to $5 So, still fairly cheap. Some of them are the sheet masks. Some of them are just like the dry-on masks. I don't know what you call those. But
so we are here with our bare faces, ready to put on these masks. And we would like to mention that we recently shaved our faces, if you cannot already tell.
there's less hair there.
These products are supposed to penetrate our skin a lot better. So we are also testing that out in a sense, but we're testing these out to see if we have any sort of reaction to them. Hopefully not. And just how they make our face feel. So,
yes. So these are the brand New Pore. So NU Pore, which is pretty clever. I'm not sure what NU stands for, but so each set has 2 different masks. So for example, this one has pomegranate, which rejuvenates, soothes, and firms. And then the other one is rosemary, which hydrates, tones, and purifies. And then in the back, it gives you a little bit of background on pomegranate and rosemary and just their benefits and where they come from. And then the other one is a honey mask and a lemon mask, which is good for hydration, purification, and brightening. So it says use both or share one with a friend. Maybe I want to try the pomegranate one.
Maybe I wanted to try that.
Okay. Because I want to see just how much hydration I can actually sink into my skin right now that it's freshly shaven. Yeah, let's just get straight into them. So I'm going to be using the honey one. And they don't look much different from, I don't know, I mean, I'm expecting maybe something to be off because it's from the 99-cent store, but they're not. I need that too. So
hopefully they're not tiny.
Like that picture, it's like literally right here on her fur. Right off the bat, it's super moist. Like sometimes some of them from like Forever 21 are not this moist. Like there's even still some here that I'll probably use on my body.
Dripping.
It doesn't smell.
We're smelling now.
I don't know. I'm just trying to give a full review, I guess. Okay,
this one has a smell.
Literally like lotion and water was just put straight on there. which I mean, I guess is what masks are supposed to feel like. But like I said, some of them from the 99 cents, no. From Forever 21 don't feel this moist. So this is already really good.
Yes, super moist. Now let's get ready to look like the guy from Hush.
Hush. Oh, I was gonna say from Michael Myers.
Or Michael Myers.
I'll be Hush. Song.
Hush is not
I'll be Hush.
I don't even know that's his name. That's not his
He
name.
doesn't have a name.
He doesn't
I'll
have a
be Hush. That's like we say, I'll be Halloween.
Oh,
Super moist. So I'm just gonna rub some of that down here too.
don't forget your hands.
I mean, you could literally still see some here. So just put that. I mean, what if this is really bad? We're trying to put it all over. Okay, so we're gonna leave on for 15 minutes. Feels good. You're just rubbing the excess in.
A lot of excess.
Yes. I did like that. I mean, if these are like effective, it really does have a lot of product for having been pretty much only 50 cents.
Yes, I don't feel any sense of itchiness. It just feels like other masks that we've tried.
We had it for a little bit over 15 minutes, so I feel like we would have been able to see something. Obviously, if we have actual reaction to where we get like a rash or breakout, probably won't be able to see that till tomorrow, but overall it seems like it's pretty standard face mask. No funny business or anything like that. I think that if you have a 99 cent store near you and they are offering these masks for 2 for $99, then why not
Get it.
You know, it will give you, I certainly feel like when I use masks a couple times a week, I really see a difference in my skin. It just keeps plump and hydrated and clear and all of that. So
thank you very much for taking on this journey with us of trying these really inexpensive masks that, you know, work pretty well. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these, or check out our other ones. And we thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.